Yes, let's say good morning, everyone. Yeah, see you again in Unit 2 of Chapter 2. In this morning, I will present you about technology. Yeah, you know technology in our campus, in our country. Yeah, technology is very modern technique for all the people to use. Like example, smartphone, very population. But now in this unit, the word technology, unit 2 talk about technology. In this unit, we have 5 content. Number 1, what is technology? And number 2, types of technology. And number 3, advantages of technology. And number 4, disadvantages of technology. And number 5, the challenges of technologies. Yeah, the challenges of technology. Sorry, I will add one more letter H. Yeah. The challenges of technology. And so now please continue to one more slide. What is technology? Yes, you know about technology, yeah? You know it. Technology is the application of scientific knowledge for practical purposes, yeah, especially in industry. Yeah, in industry. Purposes, for practical goals or for practical objective, especially industry or factory. But in here, technology is similar what I told you at the moment. Technology is the application of science, the combination of scientific method and material. I mean the combination of scientific method or material, or you can say of scientific method and the scientific material to solve the problems. Yeah, to solve the problems. I mean they use technology to solve the problem by application of science. Yeah, the technology is the application of science, the combination of scientific method and material to solve the problems. And one more definition of technology. Technology is the making, is the usage and knowledge of tools, machines, techniques, crafts, and system of organization to solve the problems. It means here, making usage knowledge, right? Tools, machines, and techniques. The techniques, I mean your technique to teach to the student, your technique to use the technology, and here crafts. Crafts in here, I mean an activity involving skill in making things by hand, yeah? in making things by using our hands, and system of organization to solve the problem. Yeah, in here, in this point, I have two definition, but the first one I have told you, the technology is the application of scientific knowledge for practical purposes, especially in industry. But now we move to types of technology. At the moment we talk about the what is technology, but now we move to type of technology. Yeah, in here there are two types of technology, or you can say technology may be classified as simple technology and advanced technology. The simple technology has two or less simple machines. Example of simple technology include knife, brush. Yeah, knife and brush. The example of simple technology, or you can use two or less simple machine, right, to make it a simple technology. And one more, advanced technology. Advanced technology means has several simple machine. Yeah, more than two, several, I mean 3 or 4. Simple machine, example microwave oven. Microwave oven, yeah, we know to keep a food, right? And electric iron, yeah, to iron the clothes. And washing machine, yeah, to wash the clothes. And here technology may be classified. Yeah. The word classify I want to explain you is mean a range or in classes or categories. Yeah, you have to remember simple technology. It means all the things that you can use only two or less simple machine. But advanced technology, it means you have to use several simple machine to make it. Like in here example you can see. One more point. Number 3, advantages of technology. In this chapter, there are 6 points of advantages of technology. Yeah, there are 6 points of technology of technology in this chapter. Yeah, you can read the book, the textbook on page 41 until 42. Yeah, the first of advantage of technology. I mean reuse. Yeah, you know the word reuse. Yeah, you reuse your time, you reuse your step, and you always when you are stuck, you have to word reuse that at the riverside like that example. But in here, the word reuse the time it take to perform a task. Reuse the time it take to perform a task. Perform in here mean carry out, accomplish, or fulfill. Yeah. I mean fulfill a task. Task I mean is a work, a work, yeah, a piece of work. Reuse I mean cut down, right? Cut down the time it take to perform. I mean to perform, to carry out, to accomplish, or to fulfill a task. I mean when you have technology you have to spend a little time to do something. For example, on emails, transmits a message faster than sending via postal service. Yeah, at the previous time or at the past in the past when you want to send a letter to another place, you have to sending by via postal service or post station. Right? It's so difficult for all of you. But now, when we have technology, modern technology, you have write a message or an email to transmit to another one by using internet. It is the faster than sending via postal service. So this is a modern technology can make everyone or can make everyone to be easy. Like just in here, just example, sending email. When you see your email, you just turn on your computer or you turn on your laptop, and, when your laptop has internet, you just write down in your email and then send or transmit a message to another one. It's so faster. Number two, remove. Number two, remove drudgery from a task. Yeah, the task again, a work. Removes drudgery from a task. I mean, one technology it removes drudgery from a task. Amount of energy used up to perform a task. Yeah, to perform and to carry out a task. I mean, remove drudgery. Drudgery means hard work, right? Hard work. When you have technology, modern technology, it means you can remove your hard work from a task. Amount of energy used up to perform a task. It means you can remove some hard work. I mean you have in the past you have to spend a lot of work. You have to spend a lot of time to finish or to do a work or to do a task. But now you can remove some drudgery, and you can say remove some hard work from a task to one more task. And number three, advantages of technology. Number three, allows you. I mean technology allows you to perform more than one task at the same time. At the same time, I mean at the same time you can do more than you can do two or more than two work at the same time. In here, dovetailing, yeah, dovetailing in here it means join or fit together. Yeah, join or fit together, or you can say multitask, many tasks. Yeah? Multitask means many tasks. It means you have to do many tasks, or you have to join or fit together at the same time, but you can do or you can work more than two tasks. Yeah. For example, you can cook while using the washing machine to wash your clothes. I mean, when you cook while using the washing machine to wash your clothes, I mean, you can wash your clothes and can cook the food. Just example, one more example, like you study by e-learning. E-learning, while you are studying with me, you can write down or you can look my slide and watch my video, yeah, as well, something like that. One more advantages of technology improves. Technology improves the quality of the finished product. Yeah, I mean improve. I mean can be produced more, can produce many products at the same time. It different from the past. The use of the searcher and sewing machines make the finished product of an article matter, which can boost the demand for the product. Yeah, the word in here, sewing, it means searcher is a sewing machine, right? And sewing is a join or attach. Yeah, join or attach. And in this sentence, it means when we have technology, modern technology, you can finish your product very fastly. You can use you can produce your product very fast, and then when you have to finish product on time, you can boost or you can push the demand for the product in the world. Yeah. Number five. Number five advantages of technology. I mean, technology may improve the health of individuals. Yeah? The health of individual because food can cook and store more easily and prevent the transmission of germs. You know what germ? Germ is a portion of an organism. Germ is a portion of an organism. In here, I mean, when we use refrigerator, you can keep or store some drinks, some food for a long time for all your family. For all the family in the world. It's easy for all of you, right? So now, please look at one more point of advantages of technology. From number one to number five, and now we continue to number six. Advantage of technology. Technology increases the performance rate of tasks. It means can increase. Increase the performance rate of tasks that can be performed with a specified time. That can be performed with a specified time. The word specify mean identity clearly. It means identity clearly or real time, or you can say identity or clearly time. For example, sewing a dress by hand might take an entire day, but however, with the aid of sewing machine, one individual can produce 10 times that amount for the day. Just example, right? In the past, when we use your hand to sewing a dress, you just get only one. But now, when we have modern technology, you use sewing machine, you can produce 10 or more than 10 at the same time. Only one day the same. But we use your hand is so very slow, right? But when you have machine in modern technology, you can produce it more than 10 or 20, something like that. But now please move to all those technology, it has advantages, but it also have disadvantages. In the chapter disadvantage, there are only 3 points. There are 3 points of technology. Number one, technology may negatively impact the environment. For example, CFC from refrigerator. Do you know impact the environment? When you have modern technology, example, just we use the refrigerator at home, and then when we use it, it has CFC. CFC in here mean is a gas. A gas is a gas that was widely used in the past in things such as refrigerator. It means CFC is a gas that we get from the refrigerator to make the ozone layer, to make you can say affect ozone layer because of CFC. CFC is a gas that was widely used in the past in things such as refrigerator here, because CFC can get a gas from refrigerator to damage the ozone layer. It also have disadvantage of technology. Number two, technology some cause unemployment as machine replaces human labor. When you have a lot of, when you have modern technology in our country or in the world, it can cause all the people unemployment. Unemployment, even they don't have work to do because of the machine can replace them. And one more point, number three, technology can cause individual to become inactive. What inactive mean? Not involved. Not involved mean not a person. A person doesn't join or doesn't involve with another one, because the use of devices does not require much energy. Because does not require much. Does not demand much energy to be expended. When in the past, when we have work to do, you have to spend many people to work with together. But when you have modern technology, you have to spend a little people to work with. And so now technology can cause individuals to become inactive because the use of devices does not require much energy to be expended. That's all for disadvantage of technology. But now we have to one more point of the chapter of of unit 2, technology, the challenges of technology. Sorry, I add one more. The challenges of the challenges of technology. Okay, continue. The challenges of technology. Modern technology presents enormous challenges. The enormous challenges mean enormous mean multi or many. The enormous mean multi or many challenges. One of the chief challenges is to combat the undesirable effects of existing technology. And another is to prevent similar effects in the development of new technology. And still another challenge is to spread technology's benefits to the people of developing countries. So now I have to explain you one by one. The first one, to combat the undesirable effects. It means some of technology undesirable effects are extremely hard to remedy. Again, to combat the undesirable effects, it means some of technology undesirable effects are extremely remedy. One more point, to prevent similar effects. To prevent similar effects. To prevent similar effects in here, it means some experts believe that most harmful effects of technology can be prevented. Most of again, to prevent similar effect, it means some experts believe that most harmful effects of technology can be prevented. And another one, the last one, to spread technology benefit. To spread technology benefit, it means technology's benefit are limited largely to the technology's benefit are limited largely to the industrially developed country or developed nation of Europe or North America. Yeah. In the challenges of technology, there are three. Yeah. I review again: to combat the undesirable effect, to prevent similar effect, and to spread technology's benefits. Yeah. You all please read this point in the book on page 44. So now I finish my presentation in Unit 2, Technology. And now it's time for all of you to make the question, right? Question and answer. Please, everyone. And thank you for your paying attention. Yeah. Please drop your message or drop your comment to ask me in the Google Classroom. Thank you, everyone. Bye bye.